Alright, you went ahead and you downloaded the Moby Pocket Creator from mobypocket.com. Go ahead, load up the program onto your hard drive, and then open it up, and this is what you're going to see. This is the screen you'll see. On the left-hand side, there's a lot of stuff there that you really don't have to concern yourself about. This piece of software was created a number of years ago, and a lot of the stuff on here is like really outdated. So don't even worry about what's on that side. What you are going to be using is on the right side of the screen where it says import from existing file. Now you've either created an HTML document or an MS Word document in .doc format. You don't want it in text document, and you don't want to import a PDF document. Those just don't come out formatted correctly. So either have an HTML or a MS Word document ready. We're going to use, I have my stuff in an HTML document, so I'm going to use that. But the interface for either one, it really doesn't matter. Go ahead, click on the MS Word document, and this is what you see.
This is the MS Word import file wizard. Really very easy. Just browse for your file, for your .doc file, for your interior of your book. Everything else you can keep in the default settings, and then just click on import, and the meter below will show the progress of the import. Very easy. Okay, so I went ahead and uploaded my HTML document with the HTML document import file wizard. Yeah, it's the same as the MS Word, so nothing changes. Just choose the file, leave everything else, and then click import. So that's about it for that. Next we're going to look at how you add images or cover title and the metadata. Click on the star home icon, and that will bring you to this page. Now these are all your publication files, or you could reach it by accessing, clicking on publication files. From here, we want to add a cover image for the book. So go ahead and click on that, and it'll bring you to a new page where you can import your image for your cover image. Very simple. Just browse for your file and click on upload. Okay, you got your cover image up, so you're all set there. On the left hand side there's a link there for table of contents, but we're not going to use that here. You already made your table of contents with MS Word or Dreamweaver or whatever you use to create your HTML file. So it's kind of cumbersome to do it here, so do it in a different program. Don't use this. Book settings, you can leave that in the default position. Next you want to hit on the metadata link. This is a very important area here. Think about keywords. Think about what people would look for to find your book on Amazon.com. So make sure you get your keywords in your title. Put in the author's name, the publisher, language, and it also has a description area there that's very important also, because that description area will also be on Amazon's description for your product page. So that is very important. Do a lot of thinking about this. Include all your keywords that people might look for when they're looking for something in your field. Okay, you got everything set. You have your interior files uploaded. You got your cover image done. Your book metadata tags, I'm sure you put a lot of thought into those, and you got them all in line. Now go to the top of the page, and in the navigation there, click on Build, and you'll see this page come up. The compression options you can leave the same, leave them at standard. Encryption options, this is where you have to do a little thinking. If you want your material encrypted so that no one else can use it, or your customer can't transfer your files to another machine or give it to his friend. On products like this that are mainly for to promote my main products, I always select no encryption. But on my main products, I usually encrypt them so that they're not given away freely and not passed around as freebies. So make that choice. If you want no encryption, you definitely don't want to use the password, and use click on the bottom box there, content encryption with DMR rights, if you don't want the file to move around. So go ahead, click on Build, and watch the meter bar go up to 100. That's with any kind of luck, of course. Okay, everything looks good. Build is finished. There's a couple of options here on this final page here to preview it in the Mobi Pocket Reader emulator, or the Mobi Pocket Reader for PC. I don't even do it here, but you're going to have a chance later on to pick which file came out best for you when we go to the digital text platform over at Amazon. So just go ahead and click on Open Folder Containing ebook, click on OK, and you're all done. Your file will be your book's name .prc. It's a .prc file that you're going to be uploading to Amazon Digital Text. Okay, we'll get into that in the next video. So there's Mobi Pocket for you.